How to see who favorited your TikTok. So the first step is by clicking your TikTok app, and then whenever someone click favorite on your TikTok video, just like this one, if you ever click on favorite, this will notify the user on their inbox. So you just simply go to your inbox right here and go to activities right here, which is the second option. And then wait for it to load. And then you may click on view all right here. And you may see those who clicked favorite on your video. So for example, there will be a notification which just says this user added your video to your or their favorite. So again, just go to your inbox, go to activity, and make sure to click on all activity right here. And then you may be able to see who favorited your video on TikTok. So that's it. That's how you can see who favorited your TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.